shine bright and rainbows low. Dig a hole and plant a seed. Give it water, that's all it needs. Grow, grow, carrots below, lettuce leaves in a lovely row, tomatoes red and strawberries sweet. Garden goodies are a treat to eat. We pull the weeds and pat the ground. Buzzing bees come flying round. With every day the sprouts get tall. Little plants standing proud and small. Grow, grow, grow green and slow. Sweet pea vines begin to show. Sunflowers turn into the sky, waving gently way up high. I sing to my flowers and veggies too. They love the sunshine just like you. Working together, we all can see a garden grow so happily. Grow, grow, watch them go. Fruits and flowers in a perfect row. With larvae and care, it's fun to do. The garden grows.